Hey everyone, it's Doctor.nique. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be going through some basic stretches for beginners. I've been having a little bit of back pain, and honestly I think maybe a good stretch will help to relieve that. Today, to aid me with these stretches would be one of my good friends, Jermaine James. He's a licensed physiotherapist in Jamaica. Okay, so some things to expect in this video. 1. The benefits of stretching. 2. 5 beginner-friendly stretches. And 3. You'll have to stick around to the end of the video to see that. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. If you like this content, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to talk about next, and share the video with some of your friends. Let's go through this stretching technique with James. Okay, welcome James, welcome to the channel. Are you excited?
I am excited.
Awesome, let's talk about stretching.
Alright, so stretching is useful for everyone.
In this part of the footage, the wind was too loud, basically explaining that we'll be going through static and dynamic stretches.
Different stretches that can be done. Now initially, you want to start off the exercise session with dynamic stretches. You carry on and do more stretches that are related to your activity. You go on into your exercise, and then at the end, we end with passive stretching.
For those of us who are able to balance well on one leg, I want them to hold onto the leg that is bent, the leg that is being stretched. Give a generous stretch for the quads. Keep your chest up, elevate the chin, and hold a upright posture. For the stretches shown here, it is important that the knee remains straight. So for the young lady on the ground, on her mat, it's important that the knee remains in contact with the mat, and for Monique, it's important that she pushes her knees back so that she gets a good quality stretch through the hamstrings. Here we see Monique holding on to her ankles. She is flexed at the hip and her chin tucked closely to her chest. This stretch allows for a generous pull through the hamstrings, allowing for a good stretch. This is how we would demonstrate that same stretch while on the ground on your mat. Reaching for the ankles with the intention being to get the forehead as close as possible to the knees, keeping the chin tucked. For this stretch, we're specifically targeting our right hamstring. We want to clutch the ankles, right hand and left hand, holding on to the ankles. The aim is to get the forehead as close as possible to the knee and tucking the chin as close as possible to the chest. This is how the stretch would look in the standing position as Monique bends and holds on to her ankle with both right and left arm. She reaches in with her forehead, going directly onto the knee and tucking the chin towards her chest. For the stretch, you move all the way out into the full plank position. You move your right leg all the way forward to get your right big toe beside your right little finger, and then you move the right hand up towards the sky and you look towards your fingers to complete the stretch. So for this active stretch, our concentration is on getting the hamstrings warmed and ready for exercise. Throughout this stretch, you want to ensure that your knees remain straight. You move all the way out from a standing position to a full plank position. this active stretch, we're moving from the full plank position and alternating the legs. We're moving the right leg beside the right hand, and then we alternate and move the left leg beside the left hand.
We're gonna go out to the side. Continue. Oh, don't fall with your leg.
Remember to breathe. Oh my god. What's that one should do?
Go ahead. Yeah, that one.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, hit the bell notification and subscribe to the channel. In the next video I'll be talking about how water can help us to lose weight, and I'll see you next time. It's Doctor.nique. Gonna big up on yourself. And always remember, there's the wind in my ears, like I got a pop in a while ago.
Like and subscribe.
Like I've got a wind in my ear. Anyways.
Because we know she don't want certain stuff, Sagicor, KFC.
No.
Sagicor might give me a local promotion.
Then we get
Yeah, you can give them a local bus.
Alright, go do it again.
Sagicor give people a bus.
You see why she had the modification now?
Alright.